Hi, my name is Marcus O'Brien and I lead the AutoCAD product management team here at Autodesk. We create software used by the most cutting-edge architects, engineers and designers from around the world. And this year our software allows you to push the boundaries even further. Now when you subscribe to AutoCAD, you gain access to a library of specialized tool sets. You can take your work with you wherever you go with AutoCAD Web and mobile apps and enjoy core desktop enhancements like DWG Compare and shared design views. Today I'll show you how you can put the power of one AutoCAD to work for you. Over the past 20 years, we've been investing in specialized tool sets to help make your AutoCAD as personalized experience as possible. Today, I'm delighted to announce the next step in that evolution. When you subscribe to AutoCAD 2019, you get access to all AutoCAD industry-specific specialized tool sets, from mechanical to architecture to electrical design and more. Subscribing to AutoCAD, you'll always have the right tool at hand while working in a familiar AutoCAD interface. So, how can AutoCAD, including specialized tool sets, help you work smarter and faster? Maybe you need a library of standards-based parts and tools for creating and modifying mechanical designs for manufacturing and documenting mechanical designs. The AutoCAD Mechanical toolset allows you to automate mechanical engineering tasks such as gathering machine components, dimensioning, and creating bills of materials, as well as access to 700,000 plus intelligent manufacturing parts, features, and symbols. Have you ever wanted to create floor plans, sections, elevations, and other drawings for building design using specialized tools? Why not take advantage of the included AutoCAD Architecture toolset, which adds more than 8,000 intelligent architectural objects and styles and features specifically for architects? Or maybe you wish you had features tailored to electrical design, enabling you to create, modify, and document electrical control systems. By installing the included AutoCAD Electrical toolset, you can create panel layouts, schematic diagrams, and other electrical drawings using a library of 65,000 plus intelligent electrical symbols. In addition, you'll have access to MEP, 3D plant design, mapping, and raster design tool sets and libraries. Customers that currently subscribe to AutoCAD already have access to the AutoCAD Mobile app, but this year we're adding more. As part of your subscription, you'll get access to the new addition to the AutoCAD family, the AutoCAD Web application. For the first time, you can access original AutoCAD directly in your web browser. The AutoCAD Web app enables you to create, view, and edit your CAD drawings in a web browser from any device. There's nothing to download. Simply go to web.autocad.com and log in to get access. All the work that you do in AutoCAD Web app is accessible when you switch devices, so you can pick up where you left off when you work from home or off-site. To make the most of the web and mobile apps, when accessing AutoCAD 2019 from the desktop environment, there's a new Save to Web and Mobile capability, which enables users to save drawings and make them available on a web browser and mobile device. In AutoCAD 2019, we've added new features and enhanced others. So we have added DWG Compare, which overlays two drawings and highlights the differences between them. This makes it easy to review and understand the parts of the drawing that have changed. We've made vast improvements to the 2D graphics over the past few years. This year is no different. You'll notice vast improvements working with draw order, raster images, and editing visual properties in large selection sets. Shared Views is an enhancement to the Share Design Views feature that allows you to publish design views to a URL so you can share drawings and get feedback from clients and stakeholders without sharing the DWG files. So, there you have it. From mechanical design aids to architecture tools, when you subscribe to AutoCAD, you gain access to a library of specialized tool sets, can take your work with you with the web and mobile apps, and enjoy core enhancements included in AutoCAD 2019. There's only one AutoCAD. It's AutoCAD for everyone.